welcome back to SLG TV. This is the place for online coaches to be in order to build, market, and monetize their coaching businesses. Today's video is all about supporting you and making money on YouTube with content marketing. Specifically, we're going to be talking about content funnels and affiliate sales. So let's go ahead and get started. YouTube is one of the 3 search engines online along with Google and Pinterest, and it's the go-to site for millions of people searching for information and finding solutions to their problems. All the content you upload to YouTube is searchable, and searchable content is continuously working for you. So there's a reason why you found and are watching this video right now. Unlike social media, a video that you post today on YouTube isn't going to disappear in 24 or 48 hours. It's going to stay up as a resource for people for the life of YouTube, and it even has the potential to outrank similar videos that are newer but don't have as much engagement. Another benefit of having a YouTube channel is that you'll be creating a resource library filled with all your teachings and trainings that can be shared to other social media platforms, and it could be also embedded to your emails, it could be sent to clients for support in specific areas, and it could be repurposed into blogs on your website. Now that's a lot of value from videos that you create one time. So now let's talk about how YouTube fits into your content marketing strategy by first defining what content marketing is. Content marketing is delivering valuable digital content on a long-term, consistent basis to your ideal clients in order to add value, build relationships, and indirectly inspire them to buy your digital products, programs, and services. The digital content we're talking about in this video is YouTube videos. However, other digital content could be things like blogs or podcasts, maybe social media posts, or your website or email newsletters. They all fall under the umbrella of content marketing. Now, as coaches, one of our top goals is to implement a solid content marketing strategy in order to support us in influencing a targeted audience and creating a greater impact. And as we all know, influence has a direct correlation to income, which is why content marketing is essential. The goal of this video is to support you in using content marketing as a sales funnel through YouTube. Essentially, what you'll do is create searchable content, you'll offer a lead magnet or a content upgrade, whatever you wanted to call it, and encourage people to click the link in the description, which will then lead them through an email sequence ending with purchasing your offer. I did this in my video called Create a Signature Program That Sells, which also includes a lead magnet. That video launched in November of 2018, and it continuously generates thousands of views. It has thousands of downloads, which are hot leads, and I've also received new clients generating thousands of dollars. This is off a video I created one time. So in saying that, let's dig deeper into learning how you can make money on YouTube with content marketing. Make money on YouTube. Step 1, SEO research. I'll be honest, most people skip over this step, which is why they create content and don't see any real traction. Step 1 is to do SEO research to determine how many people are searching for the topics you teach. Now, keywords are, well, key when it comes to using content marketing strategies on YouTube. This is how you're going to get favored by the search engines. This is how you're going to begin to rank, and this is how you are going to get found when your ideal clients search for topics you create videos on. Now, you may be wondering how to figure out what people are searching for and how many people are actually searching for this specific topic. The tool I use to find keywords specifically on YouTube is TubeBuddy, and I'll be sure to leave the link to that in the description below. Now, let's head on over to YouTube so that I can show you how I do SEO research to make sure my ideal clients are searching for my video topics. Okay, friend, welcome. So here is how you use TubeBuddy to be able to see how many people are searching specific keywords per month. The first thing you're going to want to do is install TubeBuddy. So you can see I have it installed right up here, and I'll leave that link in the description below. So feel free to click on that link and use that to start TubeBuddy today. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the search bar here, and you're going to start to search different types of keywords to see how many people are searching for those. So for example, for the video that I'm doing right now, it's about making money on YouTube. So I'm going to click on Make Money on YouTube, and then over here, TubeBuddy is going to show you some keyword scores and keyword stats. I'm going to come over here, and you can see that there are 782,000 people per month that are searching for that term. And if I click on this little question mark over here, it says the estimated average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube per month globally. So it will show you that specific term. Additionally, in today's video, I use the term content marketing. So let's Put in content marketing and see what comes up. Okay, 782,000. Wow, okay. And let's try another one. So content marketing strategy. So this is a term that I used as a tag, and you can see that 46,000, almost 47,000 people per month searched for that term. So what you're going to want to do when you're thinking about specific keywords that you want to rank for is you want to see how many people per month are searching for that term. Number one, to make sure that people are actually searching for what you're talking about, but also to see if you're able to rank. Now, in the beginning, you're going to want to find keywords that are between 500 and 10,000 searches per month if you're just starting out. Then as you start to gain a little bit more authority, you can start to use higher keywords. So let's see. Let's try YouTube marketing. Okay, so you can see that YouTube marketing has 70,000 searches per month. So I hope this was helpful in supporting you and getting an idea of how to be able to actually see how many people are searching. Again, you're going to need this tool TubeBuddy. So if you don't have that, go ahead and get that in the description below. Your monthly results should be popular, but not so huge that your content will get lost. This is one of the most important things you can do when creating content, so do not skip this step, friend. Once you determine the topics you'll be creating content for, then you can move on to the second step, make money on YouTube, step 2, which is intentional scripting. So now that you have your keywords listed out, it's time to title your video and to start writing out your script. Or if that's not your thing, you don't have to write the whole thing out, but at least have some sort of bullet points so that you can stay on track. Know that your titles aren't a place to get clever or cute or creative. You want to be clear, to the point, and you want to use the keywords that you'd like to rank for specifically in your title. Now, this is going to make it easier for YouTube to know what you're talking about and also send the right people to view your videos. When scripting out your videos, you want to ask yourself 4 questions. First, ask yourself, does my script include my keywords? So whether you write your script word for word or you use bullet points, be sure to have your keywords included in a natural way throughout your video. You see, YouTube scans each of your videos and it knows if you're really talking about the keywords and tags that you're actually using. So if you're choosing a keyword, make sure that you're going to actually use it in your video. The second question to ask is, does this lead to an offer? Now, if the topic you're talking about is in direct relation to a digital product or a program you offer, then turn it into a sales funnel. To start, you're going to create a high value freebie that then leads to an email sequence that then leads to your offer. The third question is, am I sharing resources that I can create an affiliate link for? So if you're talking about a book that changed your life or a tool that you use in your business, then leave an affiliate link. Here's the thing, friend, you're doing the dirty work for your audience by weeding through all the caca out there and finding what actually works. So when you share your recommendations, add links. You're saving them time and money by doing so, and you deserve the minimal commission that you receive from referring. And then ask yourself, does this position me as a leader, expert, or resource? Coach, the goal here is for you to be the go-to resource for your audience. So as you're building out your scripts, be sure that you're giving relevant and valuable content, and be sure to present that content in an authentic way that builds rapport and trust. Now, after you ask yourself those 4 questions, then you're ready to record. And now that we're talking about scripting, I want to know what your scripting vibe is. Do you actually like to write your scripts word for word, or do you prefer to leave room for improv? Go ahead and leave a comment here below, and I'll let you know more about my scripting process as well. Make money on YouTube, step 3, optimize your upload. Okay, so now that you have your keywords and your script recorded, it's time to upload. And this is a biggie. Do not skip this step. I admit it's definitely one of the most boring and non-glamorous parts of YouTubing, but in order to get the most SEO juice out of your videos as you can, don't skip these little steps. When you're uploading, you'll see options to customize tags, descriptions, and your video title. So you want to do all of those things. Additionally, a pro tip is to be sure that your thumbnail and your video are optimized before you upload as well. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, friend, so here is how you optimize videos and thumbnails that you're going to upload to YouTube. First things first, you want to have your video and your thumbnail on your desktop. And what you do is you right click so that it opens with all of these different options here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Get Info. Now, if you are on a PC, I'm on a Mac right now, so if you're on a PC, this may look a little bit different. You may have to click on where it says Properties, and also very important, if you're on a PC, your image must be saved as a JPEG, not a PNG. If you're on a Mac, it doesn't matter which way it's saved, but if you're on a PC, it does matter. So you're going to click on either Get Info, or if you're on, like I said, if you're on a PC, you're going to click on Properties. And on a Mac, you can see here, right away it comes up where you have a space to add your keywords up here. You have a space to put your keywords in the title of your image, and then you also have a comments space. So what I typically do when I'm creating a video script is I put all of this information on one document so that all I have to do is copy and paste it into multiple places, because these are the same tags, title, and description that I use in my YouTube video. So this is just one small extra step, but it makes a big difference. And again, if you do this with your video, so here's the video that I uploaded to YouTube. So before I uploaded it, I did the same thing. I clicked on Get Info. Again, if you're on a PC, it will say Properties. And I put in my tags here. I put in the keywords in my title. And then I also have my comments there, and you can see my video is below here. So I hope this was helpful, and let's keep going. So once you have your video completely optimized, you're ready to hit publish. Like, yay, that's the exciting part. After that, you immediately move on to making money on YouTube, step 4, which is to drive traffic. Now, it's imperative that your video gets a lot of traction within the first 48 hours of publishing. This is how YouTube knows it's a valuable video, by the amount of views, comments, and likes it gets. So the moment you hit publish, start sending your tribe to your video. And when I drop a video, I let my Instagram peeps know about it. I share it on my personal Facebook page, as well as multiple groups that I'm a part of that also allow marketing. You're going to want to make sure that you check to make sure they allow marketing. I also create pins for Pinterest, and I send it out to my email list, letting them know a new video was just posted and what it's about and what they'll walk away learning. Then when the comments start coming in, it's important to engage with them immediately. So this engagement lets the search engine know that this video is super valuable and that they should start sending more people over to see it. So when you do this, you'll be increasing your views, curating conversations in the comment section to learn more about your audience and how you can serve them, and you'll also be stacking up your downloads of your freebie. Make money on YouTube, step 5, email campaigns. So now that you've gotten all these new people into your sales funnel by downloading your freebie, you get to come up with a badass email sequence that leads to a sales page and ultimately a sale. The goal here is for your newbie subscriber to get to know you a little better before you just shove a big pricey offer in their face. So trickle in 4 to 6 nurturing emails throughout the first couple weeks. One can be a thank you for opting in and explaining to them how to use the freebie. You can also send a more personal email to let them know more about you. You can send over a list of blogs or other publications that you've done as resources to them, and also to establish yourself as an expert. And you could also let them know where else they can find you online. So start out with a little extra nurturing and then start to introduce your offer. Email platforms like Kajabi offer a lot of really helpful automations so you can control the user journey based on clicks, opens, and purchases. So your YouTube channel is going to be a key element in the know, like, and trust cycle of building your online coaching business, which is ultimately going to lead to more sales and more money in your pocket. These are the 5 steps that I use to make money on YouTube with content marketing and make a difference in the world. So if I can do it, then you can definitely do it too. Also, if you want to join a free community of online coaches and course creators who are attracting clients with their content just like you, I've created a Facebook group to help support your journey and connect you with like-minded people. So go ahead and click that link in the description below to join now. And lastly, if this video was just what you need in your coaching business, go ahead and let me know by liking it below, subscribing, and sharing it with your coach friends. Until next time, keep building your empire.